Good things take time. Tagalog Real Talk on growth, patience, and purpose. Sa panahon ngayon, lahat mabilis. Fast food, fast delivery, fast fame, fast love. Pero alam mo kung anong hindi madali? Yung mga bagay na tunay. Ang tunay na tagumpay, ang totoong healing, ang malalim na pagmamahal. Good things take time. And if you're feeling frustrated, stuck, or late, this video is for you. Welcome to the Change for the Better. Ito ang channel na magpapaalala sa'yo ng tunay na success sa buhay. Part 1. Why good things are slow? Bakit nga ba matagal ang magagandang bagay? Kasi they require patience, maturity, process, purpose, depth. Ang puno, bago maging malilim at matibay, dumaan muna sa ulan, araw, bagyo. Ang brilyante, bago makinang, kailangan munang durugin at i-pressure. Ang relasyon na pangmatagalan, kailangan munang kilalanin ang sarili at isa't isa. Good things are slow, not because they're weak, but because they're meant to last. Part 2. The danger of rushing. Sa pagmamadali, minsan tayo mismo ang sumisira ng proseso. Pinilit mong pumasok sa relasyon kahit di ka pa buo. Tinanggap mong trabaho kahit di mo alam kung saan ka papunta. Gumastos ka agad sa gusto mo kahit wala ka pang savings. Bakit? Dahil gusto mong may marating agad. Pero anong kapalit? Short-term happiness, long-term regrets, quick validation, shallow satisfaction, instant results, fragile foundation. Rushing robs you of wisdom. But patience, it prepares you for what's real. Part 3. Building something that lasts. Hindi masarap maghintay. Pero mas masarap yung bunga ng hinintay mo nang may tiwala, may effort, may dasal. Mag-ipon ka, kahit paunti-unti magtiis sa process. Kahit mahirap, mag-heal kahit masakit. Mag-training kahit walang applause, magdasal kahit walang sagot agad. You're not wasting time. You're planting seeds that will bloom in the right season. Remember, fast success fades, but slow growth roots you deeper. Part 4. Shift your mindset. Comparison is killing your confidence. Stop thinking you're behind. Ang tanong, behind saan? Behind kanino? Everyone has a different timeline. Si Sarah nagka-career sa 20 taon. Si Mark nagsimula ulit sa 40. Si Atty. Greg nakapasa sa bar exam sa edad na 65. You're not late. You're in progress. Hindi ka pabaya. Naglalakad ka lang ng dahan-dahan. Hindi ka bobo, nagsisimula ka palang matuto. Your time is sacred. Your pace is valid. Good things take time, and so do you. Part 5. Final encouragement. You're building something real. Alam kong minsan nakakapagod. Minsan parang walang nangyayari. Pero wag mong maliitin ang effort na ginagawa mo araw-araw. Yung pagbangon mo kahit pagod ka. Yung pagtitipid mo kahit ang daming temptasyon. Yung panalangin mo kahit walang sagot. Yung tahimik mong pag-grow. Kahit walang pumapansin. That's not nothing. That's everything. You are becoming. You are building. You are preparing for something beautiful. And it will be worth it. Because you took the time to do it right. Kung para sa'yo, darating. Kung para sa future mo, hindi mo kailangang madaliin. Good things take time, but they always arrive on time. Like this video, if you're choosing patience over pressure, mag-comment ng dahan-dahan pero tuloy-tuloy sa comment section. And subscribe for more Tagalog Real Talk on growth, healing, and purpose.